Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you an awesome website about Framer Motion, which consists of lots of Framer Motion examples, and most of them are free. So let's see what they have. So first of all, I will show you all of the examples. Then we will go to free ones, so we can use them in our project easily and without paying anything. So these are the type of examples you can see. So there are lots of examples here. You can choose and see whatever you like. So whenever you are going to see this open code sandbox, it means this example is free to use. So code for this will be available in the open code sandbox, and you can directly copy paste this type of code into your project and use this example. So you can see the code here and just use it in your projects. It's absolutely free to use this type of examples in your code. So this is a very awesome website to use into your projects and to get inspired, right? This 3D stack is very cool, right? And this one I personally like, but this one is paid. And you can see this type of examples here also. But just to see your free examples, what you can do is you go to your main website and just click on this free, and it will show you all the free examples you can use into your project. So this one is free, right? You can use it into your project. Just go here. This one is also free. Oh, this one looks sick, right? This is absolutely free to use. So you can just go here, see the code and use it into your project. And this one, I think this one is also free. So happy coding, guys, and have fun using it. So thanks guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.